Namaskar dear students, welcome you to our channel by Gulab Sir. As a part of series of lectures, today's topic is lysosome. It is also a part of endomembrane system. As endoplasmic reticulum forms Golgi body forms lysosome. Now let us learn about lysosome. That is what material or content of the Golgi body which is not being used and secreted and not used, therefore that release in the form of vesicles, and that vesicle, large vesicle, come together to form the lysosome. Which content of Golgi body is not used? Enzymes. So lysosome consists of 40 different types of enzymes, or more than 40 different types of enzymes. So it is a bag of enzymes. It is a bag of hydrolytic enzyme. You know hydrolytic enzyme, those which secrete in our digestive tract and hydrolyze the protein, carbohydrate and fat. Same that they do, they are also same to digest protein, carbohydrate and fat in the cell, and therefore they are also called digestive bag. During starvation they become autophagic, that means they do digest cell organelles and worn out organelles, so that that cell get degenerated and destroyed. That is what, therefore lysosome also known as cell suicidal bag. So can we ask question, why lysosome is known as cell digesting or cell suicidal bag? So please remember for that, see, this is a large pouch-like structure, membranous structure, has this membrane, bound organelles, everything what I spoke that is mentioned over here, that you can go through as a part of notes for you. And moreover, here I have written some additional information: primary, secondary, tertiary lysosomes. Here the word primary lysosome, also known as proto-lysosomes, that contain 40 different types of enzymes which I mentioned. Secondary lysosome, also known as heterophagosomes, that what primary lysosomes with phagosomes together digest or together form that heterophagosome. So this is also known as digestive vesicles because they digest the components inside the cell or coming in lysosome. Autophagic lysosome, also known as cytolysosome. What does it mean? That content which coming through pinocytosis and phagocytosis is being digested. This also digests the cell organelles, and therefore they are called autophagic. Phagic मतलब engulfing, auto मतलब cell, खुद के organelles को engulf करने वाले, that is autophagic lysosome, and therefore they are also known as self-suicidal bag. So can we ask question in NEET, lysosome are self-suicidal bag because of, reason will be given, autophagic lysosome are to engulf the organelles. So reason can be because of autophagic nature of the lysosome. Residual bodies, that what content and component which are not digested. So secondary and autophagic containing undigested material, still they cannot digest some of the content. Thereby the residual material with that lysosome is called telolysosome. So please remember this. In addition to that information, may I ask in NEET, therefore I have taken as a reference for your extra knowledge. Now functions of the lysosome, here they are primarily meant for digestion. Digestion in the sense intracellular as well as extracellular. Intracellular matlab protein, carbohydrate and fat present in cell can be digested by this lysosome. Extracellular means autoclast, that what they digest the extra bone, that they do reduces the growth of extra growth of bone, and that is what I have mentioned here. You can see there that lysosome of osteoclast digests the unwanted part of the bone. Means unwanted part does mean that extra growth of the bone is being prevented from growing it by this lysosome, therefore which has very important in our body, otherwise there would have been abnormal growth of the bone. It is written intracellular, that is what heterophagy and autophagy. Hetero, that they help in digestion of food coming in cell, hetero bahar se aane wala, that is what. And autophagy matlab during starvation, auto cell. In heterophagy, that food coming from outside, and in autophagy self organelles. During starvation our cell need energy. By that time they start digesting organelles, means cell providing energy to the body. You know that when you are going for long lasting dieting, in that case after when glucose get over, fats get over, then cell membrane and cell begin to digest, and therefore you say that you put on dieting, that means reducing weight. How weight is reduced? By digesting cell. Number of cell reduced, that means weight is reduced, and that is because of this nature of the lysosome, that is they are autophagic in nature. Question can be asked when you are in dieting that your weight get reduced. It is because of one of the following organelles and process. Organelles is lysosome and process is autophagosis. I hope you got it. This is very important point what I told you. It can be asked a very anomalous question because they used to find out some different and difficult question. These type of things are not discussed in class. Therefore, you please remember, lysosome is not only self-digesting and self-suicidal bag, but it also to reduce your weight during dieting. Therefore, in addition, it can be asked in NEET examination. I hope it was very simple and very less content about lysosome. So you will remember, practice it. I hope you got it. Once again, I appeal you to like and share our channel as well as press bell icon to receive you notification as and when new videos are uploaded. Thank you. Happy learning.